Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video we're just going to cover through a really common question actually from customers, and that is what accessories and utensils can I actually use in my microwave oven? And unfortunately this question comes with quite a few caveats, and the first being when we talk about accessories, that is more often than not, every Panasonic microwave oven is different, okay? And that means it's going to come with different accessories, and we recommend different accessories from each one. So it's really important you don't assume that just because you use an accessory with a different microwave, it's going to work and be compatible with your microwave. Always check your operating instructions. In our operating instructions, we list out the accessories that are approved and come with your microwave oven, and only those should be used for cooking food. If you do need spare accessories for your microwave oven, you can find them at our accessories store. Simply head to our support website, follow the links to the accessories shop, enter the model number of your microwave, and you should see everything you need right there. So we've covered accessories. Now when we talk about utensils and other bits and pieces that you can use in your microwave, that really depends on the cooking modes that you're using. So if you're using the microwave mode, of course you can only use things that are microwave safe. And of course under no circumstances use anything with metal in it. So no tin foil, no metal utensils, not even bowls with bits of metal on at all. That will cause sparking and it is really dangerous. However, if you're using a convection mode, then everything just needs to be oven safe or oven proof. And of course you can use things like tin foil if you are cooking with the convection mode. Do be aware though, if you're starting using combi modes, so if you're using a convection microwave combi mode, then whatever you're using needs to be oven proof and microwave safe, and no metal bits, so no tin foil if you're using a combination mode that includes microwave. So just remember, make sure you're using the correct things for the cooking mode you're choosing. It's a little bit of common sense, but you'll be amazed at what some people do forget when they're using a microwave. So I hope that helped. Hope that gave you a little bit of context when it comes to using accessories and utensils in your microwave oven. As I say, always worthwhile checking the operating instructions for your specific model. Those are all available on our support site. Simply put in your model number and you can find the operating instructions for you. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.